Afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Los Angeles. We are working on a 2013 Kia Sonata, and it came in, and the knock sensor is acting up. So we got a code. So we decided to take and replace that. We had to pull a lot of the shielding off the bottom of the car to get a bracket off the bottom of the manifold, the intake manifold, and we had to remove the intake manifold. The knock sensor is located right under here. Okay, so you have to take and unplug the plug that goes into the fuel injector for cylinder number 3 to take and get at the 13 millimeter bolt, and you have to go ahead and trace that back, and it comes over to this little bracket right here. This right here is what the knock sensor looks like. This portion right here is bolted to the engine block and underneath the fuel injection rail, and it's held down with a couple of clips. You can use your magic pliers mentioned in previous videos to release those clips, but this right here is probably going to be about a 2-hour 45-minute job. So to take and get everything back together, so since we got the old one out, we can put the new one in. So yeah, this was not a fun job, but it had to be done. But we'll have this customer back on the road today. Okay, hope you have a wonderful day.